Students, let us draw some constructions from problem set 4. Question number 5. Draw a circle with center P. Draw an arc AB of 100-degree measure. Draw tangents to the circle at point A and point B. Okay, so let us first we will draw rough figure so that we come to know how to construct this. Okay, so in rough figure we have to draw one circle with center P. Center P. Then next question they gave, draw an arc AB of 100-degree. So this is arc AB, and measure of this arc AB is 100-degree. So we have to construct tangents at point A and point B. So like this we have to construct tangents. So endpoints of the arc are A and B. Let us join with this center. So here we got central angle APB. So here we have to show calculation. As you studied in previous standard, in 8th standard, that measure of central angle is equal to measure of minor arc. Okay, so here we have to show calculation that measure of arc AB is equal to measure of angle APB. Measure of arc AB is given 100-degree, equal to measure of angle APB. Therefore, we got measure of angle APB is equal to 100-degree. Like this question, students, you have to show this calculation, you have to draw a rough figure. So here we got central angle 100-degree. And now we can construct this central angle and we can construct this tangent. So let us see how to do. Here the radius of the circle is given, not given. So we can take any convenient radius here. First take center. Take any convenient radius and draw circle. Okay. Center name is P. Now we have to draw this central angle 100-degree. Okay. So for that, first we will draw this radius PA. PA. And at center we have to draw 100-degree angle. So for that we require protector. Keep the center of the protector on center of circle. And measure from this side. 10, 20, 30, 40 like this up to 100. So this angle we drawn 100 degree. This point is B. Now we have to construct tangents at point A and point B. So we will use the method using center of the circle. So take distance less than radius. Keep the center compass on point A. Make arc on both the side of point A. Okay. Now keep the compass on one of the arc. Take distance more than half and make arc here. Keep the compass on another arc and intersect this arc. So here we got intersection. And draw line passing through this. This tangent is perpendicular to radius. So show here perpendicular sign. So this way we drawn tangent at point A. Give name for this point C, D. Now same way we will construct tangent at point B. Keep compass on point B. Make arc. Keep the compass on one of these arcs. Take distance more than half. Make arc like this way. Make here point of intersection and draw line. Give name here R, S. So line DC is tangent at point A and line RS is tangent at point B. Show here 90 degree angle. So this way we drawn tangents at point A and B. Followed? This is question number 5. Question number 5. Now let us see next question. Question number 6. Draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter and center E. Take a point F on the circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A and FA equal to 4.1 centimeter. Draw tangents to the circle from point A. So let us first draw a rough figure. Question number 6. First we will draw rough figure. We have to draw a circle of radius 3.4 centimeter. But in rough figure you can take any convenient radius. Center is E. Take a point F on the circle. We have to take point F on the circle. Take another point A such that E dash F dash A and FA equal to 4.1 centimeter. So here betweenness is given E dash F dash A. So in rough figure we can draw that segment. Here point A, C, E dash, F dash, A. So according to the betweenness, here we will get EF plus FA equal to EA. EF is the radius of the circle, which is given 3.4 centimeter. And this FA distance is given 4.1 centimeter. Okay. So EF 3.4 plus FA 4.1 equal to EA. So 3.4 plus 4.1 is equal to 7.5 equal to EA. Therefore, EA is equal to 7.5 centimeter. So this EA distance we got 7.5 centimeter. Okay. And here we have to construct tangents from point A. Okay, so practice set 4.2 we studied how to construct tangents from exterior point to the circle. So that method we have to apply here. Okay, so what we have to do first? First we have to draw circle with center E and radius 3.4 centimeter. So here take center, give name for center E. We have to draw circle with radius 3.4 centimeter. Now EA segment we have to draw, and we calculated EA is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Draw segment. This point is A, and on the circle we have point F. This radius EF is equal to 3.4 centimeter and this FA is equal to 4.1 centimeter. Okay. Now what we have to do? Now after this we have to draw perpendicular bisector of segment EA. So keep compass on point A. Take more than half distance. Make arcs on both the side of segment EA. Now keep compass on E and intersect these arcs. So here we got point of intersection. Draw line. This line is perpendicular. This F is point on the circle. We will give name for this point M. Now see student, the radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter. So diameter of this circle is 6.8 centimeter. And this distance is given 7.5 centimeter, which is greater than diameter of the circle. That's why this perpendicular bisector we got in the exterior of the circle. Okay. Now we have to keep compass on this intersection M and take radius up to point E. Okay. This much distance we have to take and draw arc. which intersect this circle. So the arc intersects circle at these 2 points. So here give name B, C, and from A draw line AB, and from A draw line AC. So AB and AC are tangents of the circle. So this way we did the construction. Question number 6 from practice problem set 4. Okay, understood?